Hi there guys, my name's John from HomeKitAuthority.com, and in this video I'm going to take you through how to set up smart devices within HomeKit. Now this is a part of a series of videos that I'll be bringing out on this playlist, and it will be videos that will tell you how to use HomeKit, how to add devices, how to rename rooms. But as I've already said, this is about how to set up devices within HomeKit. So don't forget to subscribe to the channels, it'd be greatly appreciated, and also be alerted when new videos come out. Also, if you want to check out the description, there is a link to my website which has got more HomeKit news and reviews. And also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up as it's greatly appreciated. And also, if you've got a comment or a question or anything about HomeKit, leave it in the comment section below and I will get back to you. So thanks very much. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so to get started, there's a couple of things you need to make sure you've got. First, you need to make sure you've got an iOS device which is running the minimum version for using HomeKit. You also need to make sure that your smart home device that you want to connect to HomeKit is first of all HomeKit compatible. You can normally tell if you've got this logo on the box or the marketing material, so make sure you check that out first. And finally, also make sure the device is powered on. You might have to go through a setup process in order to connect the device to Wi-Fi before you continue. But once you've got all that set up, all you need to do is get your iOS device and start the procedure. First of all, you open the Home app and tap the plus icon in the top right hand corner. You then press add accessory from the options presented. Then the next stage is adding the accessory. Now all you need to do is scan the HomeKit code, and this is normally found on the instruction manual or on the device itself, or if you've got a hub, it's sometimes found on there. When you scan that code, it will then take you through the setup process. All you then need to do is change the device location. So if you've already set up rooms, you can do that. You also can change the icon for some devices, and this is useful if you want to identify what particular device this is. Especially if it's a smart plug, you might want to do that. You also can change the accessory name so it's easily accessible, and then when you finish, you tap next and then tap done. And that's it. That's the accessory all set up within HomeKit, and now you can control the accessory and use all of the features that come with that device. So it might be a smart plug, or it might be a switch, or indeed it might be a smart camera which supports HomeKit secure video, and you'll have a lot more features. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. It's been greatly appreciated. If you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up, or if you've got a comment, leave the comment sections below. If you have liked this video and you want to find out more, then subscribe to the channel or even check out the website, and you'll find a lot more information there. Thanks very much. I'll speak to you soon.